All right, guys, got a nice quick video for you. I know you haven't heard from me in a minute. I've been on the grind trying to crunch out some new updates, and they are now available. Check out this video. Let me know what you think, and I look forward to hearing those comments. All right, let's get into it. All right, guys, we have now released another update. And I know some of you are wondering, what is it? What does Mystify come up with now? Well, I'm going to make this video short, but I wanted to give you a quick view of it. And in this, you will notice on the dashboard two additional fields here: credits wagered and credits won. All right, so we've come up with a nice little game that's going to have a great impact on the system as far as bringing down the level of debt. And what I've done is create a Medium article and place it out there to fill you guys in on all the details. So that's why I really don't have to do a long video. So I did come on and log into my poor man's wallet here. You guys may have noticed I have not logged into this for a while. And when was the last time I purchased some credits? When was that? On the 7th. So that was 10 days ago. So you guys know I have been very busy. But now the updates are in. And let's go to them over here on the marketplace. If you come down, you know you got the buy credits, sell credits, order credits. But now we have a new feature called wager credits. All right. And this is a nice little wager that you guys can place. Is very cheap to get in, to the tune of like $1. It's going to remain at that for a while until you guys get comfortable with the system. And if you want to increase any of the entry fees, of course we can discuss that, and we'll do it as a community, whoever decides the most votes on that. But for now, let's keep it low and get the system rolling. But in this system, you can essentially make a deposit, a wager, and it's going to be a static amount of 0.00015 to the equivalent of about $1. Of course, the dollar value will change as the price of Bitcoin changes, and you can pick up winnings of 4 times that. Okay, these processes are fairly instant. So once 5 people come in, it will actually trigger and perform the round, and the next round will be queued up. So I am the first in it. I just installed all of the updates, and nobody else knows about it but me. So I'm sharing it with you guys in this video, and I am going to be the first to play. And of course, I need another 4, so you guys can come on out here, try it out. Come head out to the marketplace, hit that wager credits, and it's gonna deduct 0.0005 credits and give me a chance to 4x that. So I'm just going to go ahead and confirm that here. All right, so that's been submitted. So now I just have to wait for 4 more people to come out here and play. Notice also, guys, I didn't put this in the Medium article, but once you submit your wager for a round, you cannot submit it again until that round is over. So you can't stack the same, just keep clicking play and get up in the same round. It's going to be 5 separate wallets that have to go into a round, and once that round is won, one of the people in that wallet will receive the reward, and all of those will be placed here awaiting completion of first round. All right, guys. Also, let me head over to the dashboard so you guys can kind of get a glimpse of what's going on with that. So it shows here credits wagered. So I put in that $1 worth of Bitcoin or credits. This is not Bitcoin, guys. This is credits. So you're not touching or losing your Bitcoins or anything. You're just playing around with your credits, and it gives you a way to earn more. If I win, that win amount will be lumped right here and will be added to my credits. All right, guys, a brother is tired. I've been working on this thing throughout the night trying to get it installed today, so we are done with it for now. If you got any questions or comments, leave them in the description. Be sure to head over to the Medium article because this gives you a full glimpse, an idea of what this is about. This is not just a little booty gambling game that I put out here. It is something that's actually going to support the system and support you guys as well. So when you come out to the marketplace and go to wager credits, just click on this more info link. All right, and it will take you straight to that Medium article. And this right here will fill you in on everything you need to know about this particular feature. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and we'll holla on the next one. Peace out.